Last week brought back the return of Twin Tiers football, and with it the chaos, all-out fun, and of course football itself. Let's revisit the great return of high school football with the top 5 plays from week number 1. The top 5 plays from week 1 of high school football in the Twin Tiers. Oh yeah, pump it up. Number 5, not in our house. The Serra Redskins started off their year with a win and stopped a fake punt in their season opener in the process. Number 4, Trojan Power. Troy's Brandon Maddox turns on the jet burners and rolls into the end zone. Troy's 1-0. They win it 35-18. Number 3, Cooperalls. Anthony Cooper and Wellsboro ran wild against Wyalusing last week, and this touchdown was the final score for the Hornets in their big-time slaughter. Number 2, he's got this. Loyal Sox Kyle Daters off the option and into the end zone. The Lancers rolled over North Penn in week 1. And number 1, we head back to where we started. Round the outside goes Lucas Murphy for the Serra touchdown. They'll look for 2 wins in a row when they take the field in week number 2. 1 week down, and New York joins the party in week 2. See you Friday for Twin Tiers football. Well, if you're looking to hang on to summer for just one more weekend, here's a great event for you. The Ithaca Suffragettes will return to action on Saturday at Cass Park in Ithaca. This is the final bout of the 2013 season for Ithaca, as they'll take on the Victons of Rideau Valley Roller Girls, all the way from Ottawa, Ontario. Doors open at 6:30. Action starts at 7. And again, that's this Saturday in Ithaca at Cass Park.